In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using HubSpot's powerful platform. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to building your business's online presence with ease. So let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the trial guide on HubSpot's website. This is where the magic starts. The trial guide is a handy feature that walks you through HubSpot's interface, providing useful hints and tips along the way. If you haven't accessed it before, it's a fantastic place to get started. Once you're there, just have a look around and familiarize yourself with the layout before moving on to the next steps. Next up, look for the content section within the guide. Clicking on content is an essential part of finding where you'll be doing the majority of your website's setup. The content section is like your command center, providing access to all the tools you need to build and customize your site. Just click on it and you'll enter a hub of possibilities for managing your digital content. After you're in, navigate to the website pages. This is your next port of call and an integral step in organizing your online space. Website pages is where you can view all the pages that make up your site, brainstorm new concepts, and determine your site's architecture. Just a simple click here and you'll be guided to a list of your current pages or directed to create new ones. Now it's time to hit Create. The Create button is your gateway to beginning new projects and expanding your website's functionalities. When you click on it, you'll find yourself faced with a blank canvas ready for your artistic touch. Each new page starts here, so don't hesitate to explore the options HubSpot provides. Finally, choose the template that best suits your business needs. HubSpot offers a variety of templates tailored for different business types and styles. Take your time exploring these options, as your selected template will serve as the backbone of your website's design and user experience. Whether you prefer something sleek and modern or professional and classic, there's likely a template that aligns perfectly with your vision. So, there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you're well on your way to designing a stunning website with HubSpot. Remember, this process is not only about creating something visually appealing, but also functional and aligned with your business goals. Give yourself the time to explore these tools and don't hesitate to experiment as you learn more about what works best for your site. Happy building, and thanks for tuning in.